Hello, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro video. In this, I want to look at kind of an advanced feature, which is the multi-camera setup. So what I've done at the moment, you can see I've got a few clips here. We've got 10-second clips, and all I'm doing is essentially I'm looking for, it's different biomes in Minecraft. I'm looking for like a spot that we can find. So we can say 2156. If we want it to be 10 seconds long, we'll just go to 3155. That'll make 10 seconds. And I also can do the same for the audio. So the audio, I know I want to start about 55:21, and we'll end that at about 105:20. Okay, so that is how you essentially set up for the multi-camera setup. So once you've got your clips all ready, all you need to do is just do a box around them and right-click and do Create Multi-Camera Setup. Synchronize point in points. So that is the one we're going for. Other ways to do it, but just press enter. You don't really need to change anything there. And then you get a sequence on your project. You can just drag that sequence over. And what I'm going to do, just because I know the music is going to be too loud, I'm just going to go into the music settings here and just reduce the volume by quite a lot. So if we look at what we've got at the moment, we can see we don't really need to worry about this section here at the moment. So what we've got here is the music, and then we just have the jungle clip there. But we do actually have access to a bunch of different things here. And you want to make sure you have these two buttons here, multi-camera record and toggle multi-camera view. They're found in here. So let's press one of them, the multi-camera view. And that's going to give you the view of the different views that we put in. So remember, we put in 4 video clips in there. Now, what you want to do with this is you can actually set the music. So if you listen to the music, I specifically put it in so there was a snare in there, so I could actually press the button. So if I press 1, 2, 3, 4, you see I can go between them all. And it's actually easier. I was trying to, you can also use the mouse, but it's actually easier just to use the number keys. So what I can do is I make sure that our record button is pressed on and then press space, and then try and get all the snares. So I didn't really get them at the beginning, but if we just take a look at this section, for example. So you can see that actually works. So that is a way that you might want to do that. And then the great thing about this as well is that as long as you get the timing right when you press the button there, you can then increase the complexity. So for instance, if I wanted to change this to number 3, I could just change it to number 3. And that is like the real power of the multicam situation. And if I want to change it to number 4, I could change that to number 4. So you can see like how that would work and how it's very useful to change the various different camera modes. And yeah, that's kind of just a simple way to do it. So thanks for watching.